Think your try-catch blocks catch all errors? Think again. Today, we uncover why your try-catch blocks might be hiding critical bugs instead of catching them. This mistake puts your app's reliability at risk. Many developers use empty or generic catch blocks. This silent failure swallows errors and lets bugs slip through unnoticed, causing bigger issues later. Here's a common mistake: catching errors but not logging or handling them properly. When you don't handle or log exceptions, you lose error code. This makes debugging tough and lets critical bugs silently affect your users. Compare this wrong approach with a better one that logs and rethrows errors for visibility and handling. Use specific error handling, always log your exceptions, and consider tools like Sentry or Rollbar to catch bugs in production. Here's a quick tip: add context info when you log errors to make troubleshooting. Avoid empty catch blocks. Always log errors with context. Use monitoring tools for visibility. If this helps, like, subscribe, and share your try-catch stories below.